I am out at Fox Ridge Nature Park, just outside of Vincennes, Indiana. This is a 96-acre park. It was formerly a golf course. It was purchased by the city, I believe, and converted to public use. Going to check it out. Hopefully, the rain will hold off until we're done. Thought I might have seen what looks like a trail map down this way, so we're going to check it out. So I've been here in Vincennes for 12 weeks. This is my 13th week, and it was going to be my last week, but I got a contract extension. And I've been lamenting the fact that there just doesn't seem to be any good hiking or walking areas around here. And for some reason, this kind of slipped past me. I saw it early on, and then I forgot about it, and saw it last night. So I thought I'd come out here. The weather's finally broken. It's not so blasted hot out here. So we're going to take a look around. I do see a trail map over here, and we'll check it out. Well, I have to say that I am kind of glad that I've got my extension, because I think we are here. I believe the water over here is this body of water. I think I'm going to go around this way, and then we'll see if we're going to take the green loop back, or maybe the red loop. Definitely lots of places to explore here, so I guess we'll check it out and see where we go. We'll take this little side path over to the water. I'm guessing these paved areas are the old cart paths. See if we can find any sense that this was a golf course, or how well nature has reclaimed it. I will say that one of the reasons that I think this property, or this place, fell off my radar for taking walks in is that the city says that it closes at 5 p.m. I get out of work at 3:30 most days, which gives me time to come out here, but I like to walk a lot of times in the evening after it's cooled off, and so it's not real convenient. It looks like a very nice park to walk in, though, so we're going to keep checking it out. Way over there, just to the right of this pine tree on the right, you can see the paved path, I think, from where I was, where I turned left earlier. Not sure which way we're going to go here. I think we'll head off to the left. think we'll keep on going to the left, stick around on the outside, and then we'll explore the inner trails if we have time. Looks like we've got another fork here. We'll stick around to the left. I am parked down there, roughly center of the screen. Well, you might be able to tell it just started raining. We're going to continue on. I actually brought my umbrella today, so I'm hopefully not going to get too wet. Looks like we have a grass path, which very much intrigues me. I don't know if you can see, there's a bluebird up there on the trail. Oh, there he goes. Right up in the top of that tree. Oh, we can't tell that he's blue with that background of clouds. We'll say that this area right here does not look at all like a golf course. I mean, I guess could picture this being part of the fairway over there or something. Many years ago, if it was. Looks like we have a nice trail down there. I'm not going to take that. It looks less used than this, but that's not the reason. The reason is that it's getting on towards, well, it's a little after 4, and I just don't know where I'm headed. So we're going to stay here, head out, and I'll come back another time and check out this place in more depth. It looks like we're right up on the property line here. The humidity seems to have gone up just in the short time that I'm out here. It's a little over 80 degrees. It's not bad, but boy, am I glad to be able to get it back out on the trail and just walk somewhere. It has just been so blasted hot. Heat index is well over 100. With the true temperatures being in the 90s, I just have not felt like getting out and doing much. So anyway, hopefully this break in the weather stays, and I can check this place out more. Something I noticed up on the other side of the fence was this old trail. Now I'm guessing that this is part of the old cart path, but it comes down here. It's definitely overgrown and connects up here. As we descend into this gully, it appears that water pools down here a bit, and it's starting to rain again. Looks like the trail goes off here to the left. Not sure how far. It's definitely less maintained. Let's see if it goes up here. It looks like on the left here it dead ends at the fence. which appears to be chained shut. And I'm not sure if it goes off to the right or just dead ends here. Looks like it just dead ends. So I'm guessing this is old cart path up here. Can't really see where it goes. Coming down here, just have a little spur here. Go see if there's any evidence of a cart path that goes through here. Not really. I suppose this could have been a fairway at some point. Looks like we have another spur up here. So I've reached the top of the hill. It looks like it goes down, the trail goes down into this neighborhood. It does not appear that it is maintained, or it is not well maintained by the park. And I'm headed back down a bit. If I go off to the left here, down there is the main trail. Here's where I came up, right here. And then this looks like it does go over to the area where that fence is. That's a different fence, but it does look like it's the old cart path. This place is pretty neat. I've always been fascinated by old abandoned structures and facilities, and always makes me want to look back into the reasons why they were abandoned and discarded. So this is pretty neat. Again, I don't see much in the way of like golf course around here, but it is pretty. It is really, really nice. We've got another spur off down here. I think we'll head down that way. Well, according to the map, the trail to the right, which I thought went back towards where I was, and this kind of branched off again to the left. Apparently this is heading more towards where I parked, and the other one goes back towards the center of the park. So seems that my sense of direction has led me astray. There's a nice subdivision over there. I actually think I'm almost back to where I started. This is a pretty neat little park. I will be back out here, I expect, and hopefully we can explore more of the park. Trail comes in here from the right. I think we saw that earlier. Now this is what I like. We've got prairie over here. Here we are, prairie on the left. You may recall I fell in love with prairie working out of Champaign last year. I just absolutely love it. Yeah, over there In the distance, I can see the trail I came down, I think. Well, that has been Fox Ridge Nature Park. Glad I finally got out here. It's been absolutely beautiful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.